as you can see, I'm not in my dirty work clothes today. We've come back from Oregon, and what we've done is do a 4-inch lift. We've replaced the old leaf springs. There were only 3 leaves. This was replaced with a 7-leaf spring, so that gave us a 4-inch lift. We got the stoppers here so that we don't bump out on the top, as well as we've replaced the old shocks with new off-road, stronger off-road shocks. And as you can see, also the old wheels or tires was replaced. We had them custom made by Buckstop in Oregon, and these are 40-inch tires, 12 ply, and they're from Continental. The wheels itself is aluminum, custom forged, so they DOT approved, and these are interchangeable, so you can use the front, move it to the back. There's no need for spacers. What happens is the inside of the tire or the wheel goes to the outside, so you basically swap them around when you move it to the back, or if you move the back to the front, the back or the inside goes to the outside, and that's how the offset is handled without spacers. We kept the old leaf springs at the back, but what they've done is put a 4-inch lift in to raise it to accommodate for the new tires. And while we were at the bottom, we replaced all the brake lines as well. And this bumper is a custom made bumper from Buckstop. We also put LED spotlights in to help at night with the dirt road and off-roading. And on top of that, we put in a 12,000 pound winch that is controlled through the little hatch here. You plug your controls in here and you can control the winch. There's no hookup required, it's already wired onto the battery, so there's no switch to flip. Same with the spotlights.